In this video, we'll explore the top 5 Steam Mops of 2025, perfect for enhancing your home cleaning routine. You'll find the links to these products in the description below. At number 5, Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop. The Shark S3501 offers a reliable and efficient way to deep clean your floors without harsh chemicals. It heats up quickly and delivers consistent steam for effective cleaning. The dual-sided microfiber pads let you cover more surface area in less time. Its lightweight design and swivel steering make it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The water tank is easy to refill and lasts long enough for regular cleaning sessions. Thanks to its quick-dry performance, your floors won't stay wet for long. It's a great option for those seeking simplicity and performance in one.
At number 4, BISSELL PowerFresh Steam Mop 1940. The BISSELL PowerFresh is a fan favourite, known for its powerful steam output and flip-down scrubber for stuck-on messes. It kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria without using chemicals. Variable steam control lets you adjust the level of cleaning intensity for different floor types. Its spring breeze fragrance discs add a light scent while you clean. The mop head is easy to detach and wash, making it convenient for frequent use. It heats up in just 30 seconds and is ready to go. An excellent balance of affordability and high performance.
At number 3, PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop Cleaner. PurSteam's 10-in-1 model is a versatile steam mop that can clean virtually every surface in your home. It works on hardwood, tile, laminate, and even comes with attachments for glass and carpets. With a detachable handheld steamer, you get more flexibility for deep cleaning. The large water tank allows for up to 25 minutes of continuous steaming. It's child and pet safe, using only water to sanitize your surfaces. The lightweight build and quick heat-up time enhance convenience. Ideal for multitaskers who want a powerful, all-in-one solution.
At number 2, BLACK+DECKER 7-in-1 Steam Mop with Steam Glove. The BLACK+DECKER 7-in-1 is packed with features including a steam glove for cleaning vertical surfaces like walls and glass. It converts easily into a handheld unit for countertops, sinks, and tight spaces. With 7 different uses, it's extremely versatile. It features a long cord and a generous water tank for uninterrupted cleaning. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. Its steam output is strong enough to tackle tough grime without using harsh chemicals. A top pick for anyone who values adaptability in their cleaning tools.
Before we reveal the top Steam Mop, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more smart home cleaning tools. Now, let's unveil number 1. At number 1, Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is a powerhouse in a sleek design. It provides up to 50 minutes of cleaning time per fill and works on all surfaces. With high-pressure steam and a retractable handle, it combines power and portability. It's ideal for deep cleaning tiles, grout, carpets, and even furniture. Built for durability and ease of use, this steam cleaner takes household hygiene to the next level. Here is my top 5 list. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Happy shopping!